Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced carbonated milk classic. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. And then you pour in the milk. And now you open up this can of Classic Carbonated Water and you pour it into this mug. Just gotta let it settle. And you just gotta wait till we see the ice cubes. Oh, I feel the ice cubes now. Okay, there are the ice cubes. Okay, and here is your iced carbonated milk classic. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and prosper.